Hi, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to use a chemical peel correctly, which is the best chemical peel available in the market right now, and the pre and post skincare that you're supposed to follow while using a chemical peel. So firstly, before you apply a chemical peeling solution on your skin, make sure that your skin is completely clean. Remove all of that makeup off your skin, and even if you're not wearing any makeup, just wash your face using a gentle cleanser. You can use a hydrating cleanser too, but make sure that you don't use a cleanser that's just gonna like dry out your skin and rip off all the moisture from your skin. You don't want to use a harsh cleanser like that because you're going to be exfoliating after that, so you don't want your skin to become sensitive. So just use a very gentle cleanser to wash your skin, and then you can begin with using the chemical peel. So I have washed my face, and the chemical peeling solution that I'm about to use is the best one right now in the market. This is by Satin. It's their 25% AHA, 2% BHA and 5% PHA chemical peeling solution. So it's got 25% of AHA, which helps to gently remove the top layer of dead skin off your face. It's got 2% of BHA, which helps to fight blemishes, acne, pimples, and it helps to clear pore congestion. And it's got 5% of PHA, which helps to reduce discoloration, photo aging and wrinkles from your skin. So it's got so many benefits all in one chemical peel. I love the combination of exfoliants that they've included in this chemical peel, and it works wonders for the skin. So after you wash your face, you want to pat it dry, and on a clean and dry face you want to apply the chemical peeling solution. So you just want to apply like 5 to 7 drops of the chemical peel, not more than that. Spread it evenly all across your skin and let it stay there for 10 minutes. While you're spreading out the peeling solution, make sure you don't spread it on your under eye region or anywhere close to your eyes. When you're using this, just make sure that you use only 5 to 7 drops for your entire face and nothing more than that, because if you take more of the product, then that will result in over exfoliation, which can make your skin sensitive and irritated, and you don't want that to happen. So 5 to 7 drops is more than enough for your entire face, and make sure that you leave this on just for 10 minutes, not more than that, because again, if you leave it on for a longer time, then it will result in over exfoliation, making your skin sensitive, irritated and whatnot. So you don't want all of that. You want good results in your skin, and it's going to give you good results instantly in just 10 minutes. Also, while this sits on your skin for 10 minutes, there is some gentle exfoliation that will be happening, and because of which you might feel a tingling sensation on your skin, or you might feel something going on your skin, which is completely normal. But if your skin becomes like very red, or if it becomes very irritated, then wash it off immediately. That is why a patch test is always recommended, maybe on your jawline or at the back of your neck, to see how the product works for you and how the product suits your skin or not. This peeling solution I've been using for quite some time now. It suits my skin really well. It's really gentle actually, so I'm sure it's gonna suit mostly everyone, but you still want to do a patch test every time that you try out a new product. So this has been sitting on my skin for about 10 minutes. I have been feeling something going on my skin, and now it's time to rinse this off. So I'm just gonna wash this off with water and then come back. And this is what the chemical peel did to my skin. As you can see, my skin looks instantly so much more glowing than before, and even when I'm touching my skin, it's just feeling so much smoother, so much softer. So definitely the top layer of dead skin has been shedded off. Definitely the texture of my skin has improved so much, and all the dullness has gone. It's made my skin so much more glowing. And if you keep using a chemical peel once every single week, you're gonna notice all of your blemishes, all of your dark spots, any wrinkles that you have, any signs of aging fade away so much more sooner. So you want to use the chemical peel once every single week, not more than that, because that will again result in over exfoliation, and you don't want that. So use it gently on your skin. Once a week is going to be very gentle for your skin. Now after exfoliating your skin might feel a little bit dry, so you want to go in with a moisturizer. You can use a moisturizer that's infused with hyaluronic acid or with ceramides, because that's going to provide all the necessary hydration and protection to your skin. So I've just taken a pea-sized amount of the moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Chemical peel use करने के बाद try to avoid active ingredients and exfoliants for at least 24 hours. All you can use is hyaluronic acid and ceramides, but I would not recommend using any other actives for at least 24 hours. Moreover, I would also recommend to skip using makeup products 24 hours के लिए. I know that's a little too much to ask for, but that's the best thing that you can do for your skin, because right now your skin is like nice and fresh and new. It's a little sensitive, so the gentler that you be with your skin, the better it is for your skin. So try to avoid all sorts of makeup and all sorts of other skincare products. All you can do is just use a gentle cleanser and a hyaluronic acid based moisturizer, and that's it for your skincare. Also, the most important thing that you do not want to skip on is the sunscreen. अगर आप बाहर जाते हो in the sun, तो sunscreen तो absolute must है. But even if you're indoors in the house, तो भी I would recommend using a sunscreen for at least 48 hours, even if you're indoors, and use a sunscreen that gives you like 360-degree protection from UVA, UVB, from infrared radiation, and also from blue light, because the more protection that you give to your skin, the better it is for your skin right now. So make sure that you wear sunscreen for at least 48 hours and try to be as gentle with your skin as possible. तो बस ये pre skincare और post skincare follow करने से, and by using a chemical peel correctly, you're gonna get amazing results like how I did. मेरी skin instantly इतनी ज़्यादा glowing लग रही है, इतनी ज़्यादा smooth and soft feel कर रही है, and I do see a difference in this acne mark that I had. This is a very fresh acne mark, and I do feel कि हल्का सा light हुआ है. Of course, if I keep using the chemical peel for a couple of weeks more, then this is gonna like disappear in no time. But you know, it does make a difference. आपके जो भी acne marks है, dark spots है, आपको कोई भी pigmented patches हो, you know, around your mouth or on any other part of your face, people usually have a lot of pigmentation, right? So all of that is gonna help with. Even if you have wrinkles and fine lines and other signs of aging or sunspots even, तो भी ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से help करेगा in reducing all of that and removing it over time. So make sure that you use this once every single week, not more than that, but once every single week अगर आप इसको use करोगे, you'll see amazing results on your skin. Just make sure that you follow all the pre and post skincare tips that I just shared, and you will be good to go. So this is the correct way of using a chemical peel, and probably this is the best chemical peel in the market right now. Love the combination of exfoliants in this. It gives you overall results with all of your skin problems, and I highly recommend you use this chemical peel. I'm gonna leave the purchase link of this in the description box below in case if you wanna check it out. Also, there's a coupon which gives you discount and repeat purchases. You can get up to 30% off when you buy from the link in the description box below. The best part about Started by Good Health Company is that you get to consult health coaches for absolutely free with no hidden charges whatsoever, and get your very own personalized health and fitness diet plan or exercise regime. Also, there's a phone number to get free health consultation by a health coach. You can go to their website, which is mentioned in the description box below, and take the online assessment and get the right product for you. So that's why I highly recommend Started by Good Health Company. The products are amazing and they give you amazing results, and there are so many benefits that you can check out from their website. All the links are in the description box below. Make sure you check that out, and yeah, in case if you end up trying this out or any other chemical peel for that matter, make sure you follow all the steps that I mentioned, and do let me know in the comment section below how chemical peels work out for you, especially if you try this one. Do let me know how this works out for you. If you want to see more such videos on any other topic, you know, a detailed video on how to use a particular product, comment that as well. I would love to make more such informational videos for you all. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and yeah, I shall see you in my next video.